Today, I'm announcing that we have officially filed attempted murder charges against the 17-year-old who opened fire at the Valley Fair Mall on the day after Thanksgiving. These are the most serious charges that we can file. In addition to attempted murder, we've charged the personal use of a firearm. We've charged that this attempted murder was for the benefit of a criminal street gang, and we have also charged 2 counts of assault with a deadly weapon, causing great bodily injury against 2 other bystanders, 2 women that were hit with these bullets. We are formally asking the judge to transfer this case to adult court, where this shooter would face adult consequences. If this case remains in juvenile court, the shooter will face at most 3 to 5 years in a secure juvenile facility. I don't believe that is sufficient in this case for 2 reasons. Number 1, 3 to 5 years in a juvenile facility does not reflect the seriousness, the violence, and the dangerousness of this shooter's conduct. Let's face it, we're inches away from murder and a few feet away from a mass murder. Number 2, I don't believe that 3 to 5 years in a juvenile facility will rehabilitate this 17-year-old. I don't believe it will. And in 3 to 5 years, this individual, and that's at the high end, this individual could get much less time than that in a juvenile facility. I don't think that's enough time to rehabilitate him. If this case is transferred to adult court, then the shooter will be looking at a term in prison of at least 15 years before being eligible for parole. I think that's a more appropriate penalty that reflects the seriousness of the criminal conduct and also provides time for real rehabilitation. Remember, taking a loaded firearm into the mall on the Friday after Thanksgiving and spraying 6 bullets is extremely dangerous conduct and will require significant period of time incarcerated to rehabilitate this person. I believe that part of rehabilitation is accountability. That's how you demonstrate to someone that this behavior is wrong. And letting a 17-year-old, spend a few months or a few years in a juvenile facility doesn't meaningfully demonstrate that this conduct is wrong. But spending years in a prison will make that message clear and encourage that opportunity for rehabilitation while protecting the community. We understand in the DA's office that minors are treated a little differently than adults and that there is an emphasis on rehabilitation. We understand that, but we also have to protect this community. Other people have rights too, and the people that are going shopping the day after Thanksgiving have the right to feel safe and secure and think that the only worry they're going to have is whether they got the best sale, not whether they're going to have to duck and dive because of a shooting. And at the time this shooting happened, there were tens of thousands of people in the mall. It caused a tremendous amount of chaos and confusion. That's incredibly serious and dangerous conduct. And honestly, I'm relieved that I'm not going to memorial services and funerals. San Jose is the safest large city in the United States, and we're very proud of that. And the police work very hard to make that happen. The prosecutors around me work very hard to make that happen. The community trusts the police and the DA's office to do right and to vigorously investigate cases and bring people to justice.